So, I'm here with my business partner today, and at Biscuit Digital, we're running a little video series to market a completely random company out of the blue. And if you're new, then I'd invite you to come along the journey with us. And hopefully, we're gonna get this artificial grass company ranking higher on Google, and it's gonna be generating tons of leads. And you're gonna see exactly how we do it in-house. And the first step that we're gonna look at is the name. We need a name, we need something which is marketable, and today we're just discussing what we need to do to get a marketable and brandable name for our artificial grass company.
Right, so guys, you know what's going to happen? I'm going to be interrupting more loads because I like to talk loads, right? So here we go. So we've had a look. There's a couple of lawn companies that are doing really well, and one of them is Easy Grass and the other one is Lazy Lawn, and both of those seem really marketable, right? Easy Grass, because into your mind it puts this grass is going to be easy and I'm going to have no maintenance. Same with the Lazy Lawn, right? It's kind of saying this is going to be a lawn that I can be lazy about once it's installed. So how can we do the same thing? Those names are taken, so we've decided that we're going to go with
Comfy Grass.
Comfy Grass.
Okay.
And you know what? You might think, oh right, they've come up with that brilliant name all of a sudden. No, it took us about 20 minutes of back and forth. We did some really silly ones. We did Bunny Grass or Grass Bunny, and we thought we'd stick a bunny on top of a van.
Some crude ones as well. They came out in the discussions.
Yeah, so we've decided on Comfy Grass because you know what? If I tell you our grass is the comfiest grass around, I can actually envisage that in my mind that, right, yeah, I've had some grass installed and it's really comfy. And it seems like a nice little marketable name that if you hear it a couple of times, it can become a brand. And our grass is going to be a brand because we will probably find somebody who can make us a custom grass and you can brag about that because that's what we're going to do, right, Mo?
Exactly. So that's the name sorted, and we'll presume this video series next time, and we're going to be doing some competitor research maybe, or maybe some website brand building, just walking you through the sort of website process and what we're going to do to create a really good website, something which is going to convey our brand perfectly.
Thank you for watching.
Bye, see you later.